Hi everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Do you put Trader Joe's chili onion crunch on literally everything? But buying jar after jar gets expensive, and honestly the store-bought stuff is mostly oil and not enough crunch. Today we're making a copycat version right at home in under 10 minutes. It's crispier, punchier, and cheaper. So grab your apron and let's get into it. Okay, we need a jar or a glass container that you want to store it in, because that's what we're going to do everything in. And this is going to take you less than 10 minutes. I have dried granulated garlic. Now it's not garlic powder. Be sure and not get garlic powder because we want the crunch. So I've got a half a cup of that, and we're going to mix it right in our storage jar. Then I have a half a cup of dried onion. This is onion flakes, not the minced, because I don't want it that small. This is just the onion flakes. Whoops. Then I'm going to be using some red pepper flakes, and we need 3 tablespoons. This is along the same lines as chili crisp, except that it's a little bit milder, it's not hot, and it's also a little bit deeper flavor. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now I'm using smoked paprika because it makes a wonderful taste and a new depth of flavor. Then I have chipotle powder, and I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon. And lastly, I'm going to be adding some salt, and I need 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm just going to mix this up in the jar. You could also just put the lid on and shake it, of course. Okay, that's nicely mixed. Now we're going to take 1 1/2 cups of olive oil, and we're going to heat this in the microwave for 45 seconds. And what we want is, when it comes out, we don't want it smoking, because if it's smoking, it's too hot and it's going to burn your spices. We want to take 1 little piece of the dried onions and drop it in when it comes out, and if it sizzles, it's perfect. We'll use it then. If it doesn't, then you need to put it back in the microwave for another 15 seconds and try it again. If it gets too hot and it's smoking, just let it cool down a little bit first and then give it a try. So let's take it to the microwave and we'll get it heated up. Okay. You can see the onion is just barely starting to sizzle. That's what we want. Okay, now we're just going to pour it in our jar. It's going to bubble some. We're going to stir it around. Now we want to let it sit for about 20 minutes before we go ahead and put our lid on. That'll give it a chance to steep a little bit and start getting that wonderful red color that we want to see. Okay, now that it's cooled, it's ready to use. All your dehydrated items have a chance to crisp up in the warm oil. One of the favorite ways to use it is to drizzle it over a nice sunny side up egg, just like this. It's also great on chicken. Some people like to drizzle it on their pizza. And one of the favorite ways is in a packet of ramen noodles. Ditch the seasoning packet and just drizzle this over it instead and mix it in well. It's fantastic. Creates a whole new dish for you.